Let's check out the new BW8 smartwatch that not only has got 4G SIM card support, but also camera as well. So inside the box we get our watch, also our magnetic charger as well for it, and also a quick manual here as well. Okay, so let's check out our watch. As you see, where they have actually taken their design inspiration from, and you see it looks absolutely amazing. So over here on this watch we have the scroll wheel here, the button, action button essentially, and also over here we actually have hidden camera as well. So you see I can literally pull this thing out and I literally have a camera on this watch. How cool is that? And also we get AMOLED display as well on this watch. And also a scroll wheel. So you see you can use the scroll wheel to change various things or even change your watch face here as well. This is what it looks like on the back. When it comes to build quality, it's actually fairly decent, especially considering the price. And over here we have the SIM card slot where we can insert SIM cards as well. By the way, if you are looking to get this watch, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use to get this watch for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid only around $10 for it. Considering we can actually use this as essentially as a mini phone, I think that's absolutely insane. As this price also is with free shipping and directly from the manufacturer, so who makes this watch essentially. If you also want to get it for the same price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Also probably I will manage to get some extra coupons you can use to basically bring the price down even further. As you see, you can get this orange one here and also this fully black one as well. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. When it comes to design, it's definitely actually a very good looking watch indeed. Also it's actually fairly comfortable as well when you wear it. And also the strap is also very decent on it as well. And when it comes to display quality at this price, I think also it's actually fairly decent, as you can see. And also the strap quality for this price, I think that's absolutely insane what we're getting here. So yeah, definitely a very good looking watch indeed. And over here we have the speaker for it as well. And obviously we get a microphone as well on it. And if you want to use a SIM card in it, it takes the tiniest nano SIM card essentially, so regular SIM card. So also what's absolutely awesome, we do not have any eSIMs on this watch. I personally prefer physical SIM cards actually better. So if you want to take out the SIM card tray, see you have this tiny groove where you simply insert like a fingernail and essentially pull it out. Then you see you have a tray like this. And let's insert our card. So check where you have the tiny triangle. So you see placed like this. Again, hold your watch upside down when you actually insert it and simply let's slide it inside. And make sure to push it all the way in. And next, if I swipe down, as you see, I can see my network information here and also all the bars, signal strengths. And also if you click this green SIM button, you can also like turn on or off the SIM card, and you have the airplane mode here as well. And also if you swipe like this, also a bunch more settings that you can toggle. So yeah, I think it's absolutely amazing. We actually get literally a SIM card support in a smartwatch. So essentially for only a bit over $10, we are getting a full-blown phone. So that's absolutely insane. So if you simply swipe like this from the right side, you can actually pull up your dialer. So not only you can make calls, but also receive them as well. So if you want to make a call, simply dial a number, or also you can select the contact. Then if you press this button, it will actually place the call through your phone. But if you press this button, it will actually use a SIM card that you inserted basically. So you actually have two call options. So let's do it through the SIM card. So you see I'm dialing here, and in a short moment, hopefully this phone will start to ring. So yeah, let's see. And then obviously we can call, and this is how the call looks like. And then also the microphone quality and speaker for such price, I think it's absolutely amazing what we're actually getting here. Also you see we can decrease or increase like volume here, and also get back, I guess, to the main. So yeah, to hang it up, basically, you can do that. So yeah, absolutely amazing indeed. And obviously also we can actually receive SMS messages as well on this watch. So you see, I can see basically some SMS I have actually received while I had it on, and you can easily like expand it here as well. Also, obviously, all your notifications also will arrive basically here as well. So not only SMS, but also notifications from your phone as well. And you can use this button also to go back here. And this scroll wheel either can be customized to simply launch the last action. So you see I had my settings last, or also you can customize it for any action as well. So to launch any app. So I'll show you that a bit later. So if I swipe like this, I see I can basically see various tiles here. You can see for yourself what we have here. By the way, when it comes to the health features, I personally actually wouldn't trust this watch at this price. We probably can't expect to actually get anything decent here. So I guess, again, I think this watch is mostly for like simply telling time, date, step count. I think also step counter is actually fairly okay on this watch. And obviously calls. Those sensors, again, at that price, you really have to use common sense. So also, as you see, okay. So if I press this button, essentially I can pull up all my apps I have on my watch, so we can simply see. So you see you have also your phone book. So to set up contacts, you actually have to do it through the phone app. I will show you that a bit later. Also like this, basically active minutes and stuff like that. Also you can see what you can see. Also even weekly summary. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool here. Again, I think this watch is fairly okay for step counting, but this heart rate, so I would actually take that with a huge grain of salt. Also it says sleep tracking, but step count, yeah, that's actually pretty okay here. So can we see? Yep, we can also see the step count history here as well. And also we can, I guess, track some activities here as well. This watch obviously doesn't receive GPS, so if you want to track GPS activity, you would simply have to use your phone. Also in this window, see, you can also like pause or zoom. Also you can easily control your music as well. So that's actually pretty cool. So to end it, let's end it. It'll also give you like a brief summary here. Okay. Again, we can use this button to go back. So it says it has these features, but again, I won't show you them because again, they probably aren't, like even real, I guess. So call log, alarm, multiple alarms we can set on this watch, which is absolutely awesome. Also the training record. So I guess for simply maybe like distance, like steps walked, it would be okay. So yeah, probably decent enough for that. Stopwatch. So also like split laps here as well. That's pretty cool. Also weather, but we actually have to set up, I think, in the phone app first, so your location for the weather. And also music. So yep, this obviously has got a speaker, and you can even play music basically through the speaker here as well if you enter here. So as you hear, the speaker definitely on this watch also is actually fairly decent for playing some music and also like taking receiving calls. For this price, I think that's absolutely insane. Oh, also check this, we can actually click any of these items on the watch face as well to freely interact. So you see, on other watch, we obviously can't do it. So you see, I can quickly launch anything by simply touching the screen. So let's check out what more we had over here. So also we have the call log here as well. So also we have the bunch of games here as well. For example, some snake game here as well. Okay, so how to learn how to actually use it. So yeah, basically simply use these buttons on the, also some puzzle games. So yeah, just some very basic stuff, but yeah. Also a calculator here as well. Maybe some kind of breathing exercise that you can do. Timer. I see also the timer system is actually very decent here. So either we can tap any of these options here, or also create our own time. So yeah, the system actually looks fairly cool on this. Also we can find my phone function, and also we can also control our camera remotely from this watch as well. Also it appears we have basic assistant as well, but obviously you will have your phone in range for this, I think. SOS feature. Okay, so we can also like dial someone as well in emergency as well. So the messages, so the SMS and also notifications, calendar, app view. What is this? Okay, so where you can download the app. It says it has got WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, but these are only basically a place where you can receive notifications from those apps. So they are actually not full-blown like WhatsApp apps. And also we have, for example, like, also you see you can set this button for any action here as well. So let me show you what you can actually set it for. For example, stopwatch, like, or SOS function as well, alarms. So it's actually very decent. Oh, also timer, yeah, that's cool. And we also have this raise wrist to wake function as well. It appears on this watch. So dialer, phone book. Okay, so as you see, it essentially loops. And the faster you scroll, the faster it actually even goes around. Also, let's quickly check out the camera on this watch as well. So let's pull it out and let's launch it. So capture. So when it comes to the quality on this camera, I think it's definitely very basic camera indeed. And in my opinion, a bit of gimmick actually. So you can definitely see yourself and take a picture of something, but again, it's obviously not a very high quality camera. Also, we can see, for example, something here. So I took basically a picture of the flower, and this is what it looks like. So you see, just in emergency, I guess would be okay. Also, let's quickly check out the phone app. It uses this My Watch Plus app. Let's open it up. You'll see basically your summary here. Also the step count. Also you can see the step count for the week and months as well here. Exercise time and everything else that you have here. And also like quick summary for the yesterday and I guess average for the 7 days. Also, yeah, we can like configure our watch here and like download even more watch face on this watch. So yeah, that's actually quite decent selection over here. Also, you can enable from which apps you want to receive notifications. For example, I see you, for example, for WhatsApp, you have to simply go over here and enable it here as well. And also we can set up contacts, basically frequently used, so that we can quickly tap on the watch and call directly, and some other things here as well. Also we can, I guess, start exercise from the phone app as well, and the user profile here, some kind of health index here as well even. Yeah, as you see, app also appears actually fairly decent on this watch. And overall, is a new BW8 smartwatch actually worth it? Well, yep, for this price, I think it's absolutely insanely cool watch, because not only we get full-blown SIM card support in this watch, and again, this is like normal, regular SIM card, not some stupid eSIM that is actually quite hassle to use. Also, like fairly decent build quality. Also, I think it actually looks very decent as well when you wear it, so actually looks very smart indeed. And for this price, I think it's absolute bargain really. So literally for only a bit over $10 if you follow special discount links, and that also is with free shipping. So yeah, for this price, I think it's absolutely insane what we are getting. And yep, I think it's absolutely awesome. We can essentially have full-blown phone on our wrist How cool is that? Again, also I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons from AliExpress that you can use to maybe even bring this price down even further. For this price with free shipping, I think it's absolutely insane what we are getting. Good luck.